Welcome to your ultimate guide on launching a profitable t-shirt business in 2025. Whether you're dreaming of a side hustle or a full-time venture, this video will walk you through everything you need to know, from the latest trends to essential strategies. Let's dive into step 1, identifying your niche. In 2025, personalization is key. Think about your passions and interests, whether it's eco-friendly designs, pop culture references, or motivational quotes. A unique niche can set you apart in a crowded market. Next, we move on to market research. It's crucial to understand your target audience. Use social media and online surveys to gather insights about their preferences. This will help you tailor your designs and marketing strategies effectively. Step 3. Sourcing quality materials. In today's market, sustainability is not just a trend, but a demand. Look for suppliers offering organic or recycled materials. Not only does this appeal to eco-conscious customers, but it also enhances your brand's image. Now, let's talk about design. Tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva are perfect for creating eye-catching designs. Remember, simplicity often makes the boldest statement, so don't overcomplicate your artwork. Moving on to production. Consider starting with print-on-demand services to minimize upfront costs and test your designs in the market. This approach allows you to scale up based on demand without the risk of holding excess inventory. Marketing is our next focus. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are powerful tools for reaching your audience. Engaging content, like behind-the-scenes looks or customer testimonials, can boost your visibility and credibility. Don't forget about setting up an online store. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy make it easy to sell your products and manage orders. Ensure your website is user-friendly and mobile-optimized, as most customers shop from their phones. Lastly, let's discuss scaling your business. Once you have a steady customer base, consider expanding your product line or collaborating with influencers to reach new audiences. Stay updated with industry trends to keep your offerings fresh and relevant. There you have it, a comprehensive roadmap to starting a t-shirt business in 2025. Remember, entrepreneurship is a journey filled with learning and growth. Stay passionate and persistent, and success will follow. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights into building your business dreams. Until next time, keep innovating and believing in your vision.